So friends, let's see today's interesting and different recipe. So now here I have 250 grams of boneless chicken breast. I've just cut them up into rectangles like this. So this is about, you get about 6 to 7 pieces, enough for a family of 4. So now to this, I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of onion powder. This is dry onion powder. It's easily available online or in stores. Next, I'm going to be adding 2 teaspoons of garlic powder. Next, we're going to add 1 teaspoon of pepper powder. One teaspoon of red chili flakes. Next, we're going to go with 1 teaspoon of soya sauce or soy sauce. One teaspoon of vinegar. Now I'm going with white vinegar, but you can even use apple cider or whatever vinegar you generally use. 2 teaspoons of mixed herbs. Or you can also use the pizza pasta seasonings. Next, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of very finely chopped up garlic. So that comes to about 2 large cloves of garlic. Next, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, 1 tablespoon of barbecue sauce, 1 tablespoon of sweet onion sauce, and some salt to taste. So try not to skip out any of the ingredients because all these ingredients are really important for this recipe and they're easily available. So mix all of this well and set this aside to marinate for at least 15 to 20 minutes. You must give this dish a try, guys. It's super delicious. So now I've just heated about 1 teaspoon of oil with half a teaspoon of butter in a pan. And here I've just prepared a mixture of 1 tablespoon of corn flour with 3 tablespoons of plain flour or maida. I'm just going to coat each of the pieces with this mixed flour. So mix the corn flour and the plain flour really well and then just dip these pieces into it so they're coated really well. Dust off the excess. And they're just going to shallow fry them in the oil and butter mixture. And the butter also adds a lovely flavor. And then just fry them on both sides till they're nice and golden brown in color. So they look like this. And then you're just going to drain the excess oil and then put them on a plate. And now we're going to prepare the jus. So in the same pan, we're just going to add 1/4 cup of water, 1/4 cup of red wine or wine, whatever wine you have available. I prefer using red wine, but the unsweetened one. Then I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of barbecue sauce. One teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce. We're going to stir this mixture really well. And I'm going to add just about 1 teaspoon of butter. And again, I'm going to add about 1 teaspoon of sweet onion sauce, half a teaspoon of pepper powder, give this a nice stir. And now we're just going to add about half a teaspoon of the mixed flours because this will help to thicken up this jus or this sauce. Now for those of you who don't want to add the wine, you all can skip the wine. And then just mix all of this till the sauce really nicely thickens. And our jus or our sauce is all ready, and now it's time to serve the dish. So now that the chicken is already on the plate, I'm just going to pour the jus over this. And then all we have to do is just garnish it with some chopped up coriander or cilantro, or if you like parsley or celery, you can add that. Now you can serve this with some lovely veggies. So the other day I had just tossed some broccoli in a little bit of olive oil and seasoned it with some salt and pepper. I had some mashed potatoes as well as fried potatoes. Or you can just serve them with some chips and rice. It just tastes amazing. So do give this recipe a try and let me know how you like it. I'll catch you soon in my next video.
Friends, I hope you liked today's recipe as well as today's video, and if you would like to see more videos like this, then don't forget to leave this video a big thumbs up. Also, by clicking the thumbs up icon. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and become a part of Akshata's recipes. Once you have subscribed, there is a small little bell icon that will pop up, so just click on that. That way, whenever I put up a new recipe or a new video, you get a message for the same. So on that note, I'll say bye and I'll catch you in my next video sooner than you think. This is Akshata saying bye, take care, stay healthy, stay fit, be kind and loving to one another. So till we meet again, bye.